How to fix rotation lock grayed out in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, double-click on Last Orientation. In the dialog that appears, type 0 in the text field under Value Data and click OK. Now right-click in an empty space in the right pane. Choose New and then DWord, 32-bit, value. Double-click on Sensor Present. In the dialog that appears, type 1 in the text field under Value Data and click OK. Finally, close the registry editor. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.